Hello and welcome to DQ. In this demo, we'll explore how Axe Devtools Linter helps developers build accessible code from the start of their development lifecycle by catching accessibility issues in the source code, much like a spell checker catches spelling and grammar mistakes, thereby allowing you to maintain code quality and ship your products faster. It supports the main JavaScript frameworks such as React, React Native, Vue, and Angular, as well as plain HTML. The linter could even lint custom components, making it the perfect tool for any web development workflows. Axe DevTools Linter offers two powerful tools. The Axe Accessibility Linter, which is available for Visual Studio Code, IntellIJ, and WebStorm. Integrating Axe DevTools Linter into your workflows is simple and effective. In your IDE, the extensions highlight issues instantly, helping you to identify and fix them before they leave your environment. With built-in links to DQ University, developers could quickly understand the impact of each issue and find actionable solutions, empowering them to write higher quality, accessible code from the start. The Linter Connector is a standalone CLI tool for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux that automates accessibility scanning. It's perfect for bulk testing and integrates seamlessly with Git pre-commit hooks, GitHub Actions, and GitHub annotations so you get feedback on the exact line. With Git pre-commit hooks and GitHub Actions, you can automate checks to catch issues early, reducing the need for lengthy remediation efforts. The Linter connector can be configured to block commits or merges with unresolved accessibility issues, ensuring only accessible code progresses. Linting at the source code level is the most cost-effective way to build accessible software. By catching any accessibility issues from the start, you'll spend less time in tedious remediation cycles and avoid unnecessary deployment delays. Axe DevTools Linter is your first line of defense against accessibility issues, ensuring that inaccessible code doesn't slip through. Whether you're using the free Axe Linter extension for real-time feedback or integrating the Linter connector into your CI/CD pipelines like Jenkins and SonarQube, Axe DevTools Linter provides a comprehensive safety net for your development process. Thanks for watching and happy coding.